On the off chance that you're situated in Australia and by and large wish to purchase Nexo, the cycle truly is extremely clear, which is genuinely huge. All you really want to for the most part do is, in every practical sense, find a controlled trade, store a few assets, and generally choose how pretty numerous Nexo tokens you truly need to purchase, or so they especially thought. The digital money market, however extremely encouraging, by and large is certainly not an especially simple spot. Consequently, a savvy financial backer will frequently generally get some margin to explore and truly find out, as genuinely much as sort of conceivable, about this nimble and especially unique market in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo is one of the players in the crypto space and has basically figured out how to show critical commitment since its commencement, or so they explicitly thought. The coin for the most part is blockchain-based and, subsequently, decentralized, which sort of is very critical. Thusly, you won't require the administrations of a specialist or go-between before you can basically sell or sort of purchase the coins in an unobtrusive manner. What's in this aid? The accompanying aid makes you stride by step through the most common way of purchasing, selling, and putting away the Nexo tokens, guaranteeing that you get an incentive for your cash incredibly. The substance generally has been improved for commonly simple figuring out, in any event, for another market participant in a really significant manner. Be that as it may, financial backers explicitly are encouraged to talk with their monetary counselor or somebody who generally has some involvement with the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Doing so will for the most part empower you to have information and working systems when they at last explicitly enter this market. As a matter of fact, where to fundamentally purchase Nexo in Australia, the go-to put for when you generally need to especially purchase the Nexo Pretty token, is the crypto trade account. Amazingly, as Australia for the most part offers certainly a few trades, financial backers should direct huge exploration to, in every practical sense, decide the trade that will work kind of the best for their circumstance, which is very critical. For example, the record should basically have the option to help Australian dollars and the Nexo by and large token for this situation. Rundown of the best trades to generally purchase Nexo in Australia. Looking where to fundamentally purchase Nexo in Australia at this moment, in spite of mainstream thinking, underneath you will generally find 4 of the, in every practical sense, best dealers that permit you to purchase Nexo in Australia in a genuinely huge way. eToro, best representative to purchase Nexo in Australia. Binance, best trade to purchase Nexo in Australia. For resource variety, Coinbase in a real sense, the best trade to purchase Nexo. For novices, OKEx in a real sense, the best specialist to buy in large purchase Nexo in Australia. For minimal expense, a bit-by-bit manual for purchasing Nexo in Australia. Follow this manual for most certainly prepared yourself to purchase Nexo tokens in Australia. Purchasing Nexo with other digital currencies. Explicitly, brokers and financial backers in the crypto market can sort of purchase the Nexo really token by trading it for other digital currencies, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A portion of the coins you can use for the trade incorporate Bitcoin, Bitcoin money, or Ethereum, which especially is genuinely huge. To do as such, you should initially buy the kind of other crypto coins and exchange them for the Nexo tokens. While this choice is exceptionally straightforward, every one of the records for the most part are not offered. Consequently, the requirement for legitimate kind of expected level of effort in a significant manner. While utilizing this methodology, you explicitly need to choose the pair that especially matches actually your expected exchange, which in every practical sense is very huge. Purchasing Nexo utilizing government-issued types of money. You can likewise for the most part purchase Nexo tokens through government-issued money. For this situation, the Australian dollars is utilized in an unpretentious way. As referenced before, prior to enrolling with a trade, especially guarantee that it certainly upholds Australian dollars in a by and large enormous manner. Follow the accompanying system to purchase Nexo tokens in Australia. Stage 1. Register with a trade. To explicitly begin purchasing the Nexo tokens, you need to, in every way that really matters, open a trade account, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Australia is known to, in a real sense, have, all things considered, numerous trades, which truly is genuinely critical. Thusly, you should do an examination to figure out the kind of unambiguous trade account that essentially the best lines up with the sort of exchanges you sort of plan to perform in a real sense. For this situation, the trade should uphold the Australian dollars money and the Nexo kind of token. Amazingly, during the record enlistment process, you will especially be expected to give specific really private subtleties, including your name, phone number, email address, and most certainly more. Due to consistent estimates given to trades, you will likewise basically need to for the most part check a few subtleties you basically have given through sort of fundamental kick rules in a significant manner. To confirm, you will require supporting records for example, a government-provided ID, verification of address, and others, which especially is genuinely critical. While setting up the record, you want to set a really impressive secret key and multifaceted confirmation to generally guarantee that you keep your record pretty protected from any outsider impedance in every practical sense, significant way. Stage 2. Asset your record. The subsequent step really is to support your record with the goal that you can purchase Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. To finance the record, interface really your financial balance to the trade, or you can likewise connect commonly your MasterCard or charge card, or so they explicitly thought. Stage 3. Especially purchase Nexo. The third step for the most part is to purchase Nexo now in every way that really matters, significant way. Now that you generally have supported your record with either Australian dollars or really other digital currencies, you can now trade them for Nexo tokens in a kind of significant manner. To purchase utilizing digital currencies, for the most part select the matches matched against Nexo. For example, ETH Nexo, BTC Nexo, and others too in every way that really matters. Purchase utilizing the Australian dollars. You can choose the pair compassed Australian dollars Nexo, or so they thought. In the wake of choosing the matches, you might want to trade with a firm prettier exchange. An email will inform you that the exchange has been handled. Selling the Nexo account basically is similarly all around as fundamentally simple as it generally is to get them especially. You need to explore the record's sell segment and determine the quantity of coins you in a real sense wish to sell in an unobtrusive manner by and large. From that point forward, really affirm the exchange subtleties and basically go to your email. Truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, you will get a warning to sort of affirm that the exchange has been started. You can either sell the Nexo tokens for Australian dollars or exchange them for other digital currencies in an inconspicuous way. For the last choice, all you explicitly need to do in a real sense is select the pair that explicitly matches your planned exchange and later trade the gain coin for Australian dollars. Finally, most certainly pull out the assets for the coin straightforwardly from certainly your trade account, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Which wallets could I at any point use to generally hold Nexo, which is genuinely critical. You can utilize either the hot or cold wallets to truly hold prettier coins after you in a real sense have gotten them in an unobtrusive manner. The two wallets especially are not quite the same as each genuinely other in most certainly multiple ways, which certainly is genuinely critical. The hot wallet stores your coins web-based, taking into account quick beautiful recovery when you need to involve sort of your coins for especially your exchange. On the sort of other hand, sort of cool wallets store the tokens on outside equipment fundamentally, for example, a USB drive in an extremely huge way. How Nexo functions in an essentially enormous manner, very much like other digital